I am E40A, and the one next to me is my friend E20A. The only difference between us is the capacity. Delicious food, bursting wok. My best feature is that I can cook delicious food. I have more than 50 national culinary masters as research consultants to develop dishes. Through automatic precise temperature control technology, the temperature rises quickly, up to 400 degrees Celsius, cooking with an iron pot, bursting with wok. Unique active stir-fry technology simulates the flipping wok effect. Adding ingredients is measured to precision, including powders, sauces, liquids, and other main and auxiliary ingredients, with a maximum accuracy of 0.2 grams. At the same time, I also have the function of thickening and heat preservation, keeping the lard warm to achieve perfect master production. The pot can be cleaned automatically with one button, which is convenient and quick. Easy operation and reliable. I have powerful fully automatic functions, a 10-inch touchscreen for one-touch operation, and over 2,000 delicious dishes built into the cloud for you to choose from, all ready to cook with one click. One person can operate 3 to 4 machines at the same time, saving time, efficiency, manpower, and reducing costs. In just 3 minutes, 3 delicious dishes are ready. Supports international multiple languages, making it easy for employees of different nationalities to get started. One-click menu distribution from central account, helping chain restaurants standardize their production. Good quality and excellent after-sales service. Quality is my core pursuit. My components come from world-renowned brands, which guarantees my stable and excellent performance, and grants me approval by world-renowned organizations. I'm safe, reliable, and stable. In addition, we have a professional after-sales service team that responds promptly and is ready to help you solve your problems at any time. T-Chef Technology. Let the world feel the taste of technology.